Do you want to increase the maximum file upload size in WordPress? Sometimes a low file upload size limit can stop you from uploading files with the media uploader or installing larger WordPress plugins and themes. In this video, we will show you how to easily increase the maximum file upload size in WordPress to fix those issues. So let's start the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins. Click on the Add New button. Search here Big File Uploads. Install and activate the first plugin. Now hover your mouse over the settings area. Here you will see the Big File Uploads option. Go to Big File Uploads option. Here you can determine the maximum upload size in two ways. The first one is, you see here is an option called All Users on the left side. Enter the file size here. You can use it here according to your needs. You can use megabyte or gigabyte here. Now click on the Save button. Now go to Media. Click on the Add New button. See, your maximum upload file size has changed. You can now upload large files here. You can also change the maximum upload size from here. Click on the Change button to do this. Then it will redirect you to Big File Uploads option. From here you can change the size as desired. The second option is, you can see customization by user role. Turn it on. This will allow you to define separate upload sizes for administrator, editor, and author. Set it as you need. In this way, you can increase the maximum upload file size of your WordPress so easily. You can also check our other plugins. We have several WordPress plugins. The most popular plugins are Top Table of Contents and WP Mobile Bottom Menu. Check out the link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.